What's up, everybody? What's going on? For those who don't know me, my name is Drew, and today we're going to dive right into our series, What Do I Eat During the Daniel Fast? As we're approaching week 3, I know there's a lot of people out there that don't know what to eat and running out of ideas, but don't worry, I got you. Remember, this fast isn't just about food, it's about getting closer with God and hearing His word clearly. So with that being said, if you find any value in this video, I want y'all to do is smash the like button, comment, and subscribe. So far, you guys have been supporting, and I appreciate it. Thank you. You know, your support is going to help this channel grow a lot. And I want to be able to reach and help more people, as well as cater to y'all. This channel is going to be more than just food, but lifestyle overall. So that includes food, cleaning tips, home decor. My wife got me into home decor now. Self-care tips for the fellas. Also some day in the life vlogging content that I want to put out there as well. Just have a lot of ideas. And with the support of you guys, it's going to help me achieve those goals. So with that being said, let's get right into the video.